Hello friends, welcome to C4CAD. This is the ninth video of sheet metal design series in NX Unigraphics. In this video, we will see how to use hem flange feature in sheet metal design. So let's get started. Here we have one sheet metal object to use the hem flange feature. Hem flange feature is located in bend group in more section. So click on hem flange. Hem flange feature is used to create safety edges in sheet metal objects. In this, a small portion of sheet metal is folded back directly on top itself. To use this feature, first we have to select a type of hem available in this drop-down menu. And next we have to select an edge on which we want to create a hem. And then we can select an insert options available from this drop-down menu. In bend parameter pane, there is one figure which shows the parameter of the hem. In the more section, we get relief and miter. Relief is predefined by the sheet metal preferences. Now we will see each type. First we will see the closed hem. So first we select this edge and the hem is created. We can change the flange length using this option available here. Now click on apply to create this hem. Now we will see the open type. So we select this edge and the hem is created like this. And we can change the parameters of this hem like bend radius and flange length. Click on apply to create this hem. Next we will see S-type hem. So we select this edge. So the S-type hem is created here. In bend parameters, the one option equal ready. If we tick mark this, then the bend radius is same for the both of the bend. We can change the flange length using this parameter. Click on apply. Now we will see curl type hem. So select the curl here and select this edge. So the curl type hem is created like this. We can change the parameters of this hem using the bend parameters. Click on apply. Next we will see open loop. Here we select this edge. So it will create a hem like this. Here we can increase the sweep angle to create a full hem. So it will create a hem like this. And we can change the bend radius. Now click on apply. Next we will see closed loop. Select here this edge. So the closed loop hem is created here. We can change the bend radius as per our requirement. Also we can change the flange length. Click on apply. Next we will see centered loop. Select this edge. So it will create a hem like this. Also we can apply here equal ready option. We get here equal ready option for this band. We can increase the radius using this band radius. Now click on apply and cancel this. This is how we can use the hem flange feature in sheet metal design. In the next video, we will see lofted flange. Thank you friends. If you like this video, then please subscribe to C4CAD.